Wanted. Wanted. Ang gagawin.
Hi guys! Jana here. So for today's experiments, kakailangan natin ang mga materials na hawak ko ngayon. So firstly, ang ating basin with hot or boiling water, nakaka-pour ko lang, and of course, ang ating balloon. So ilalagay lang natin to and we'll wait a few moments to see if may pagbabago ba sa balloon para sa experiment na to. So currently, ang diameter nito is 7 inches. So lagay na natin siya and we'll wait a few moments. Yan. So, catch you later!
What is Charles' law? Charles' law was formulated in the year 1780 by French physicist Jacques Charles. This law states that the volume is directly proportional to temperature while having a constant pressure and number of moles. This means that when the volume increases, the temperature also increases, and when the volume decreases, the temperature also decreases.
Hi guys, so it's been about like 5 to 10 minutes and eto na siya. I think medyo lumaki naman siya pero let's confirm, susukatin ko muna siya and I'll get back to you kapag nasukat ko na siya. Hi guys, so nasukat ko na siya and according to the measurements I took, from 7 inches, naging about 8.5 inches siya. So, confirmed, lumaki nga siya. So, experiment successful.
Guys. So, I'm 34 weeks pregnant. Yan. So, ang naging result dito is maliit na siya. Ang pagkaka-measure ko dito is 10 inch na lang siya compared nung kanina na 11 inch. So, I can say that may changes sa size ng balloon when I put it in the refrigerator. Okay?
When you put the balloon in the refrigerator, the gas inside the balloon will cool down, causing the molecules to slow down and take up less space. As a result, the balloon may shrink because the cooler temperature reduces the pressure inside the balloon. When you put the balloon in hot water, the air inside the balloon heats up. This makes the air particles move faster and spread out. As a result, the balloon expands because the hotter temperature increases the pressure inside the balloon.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love